In this lecture, we'll apply the dividend discount model to real stock valuation problems. We'll work through detailed examples showing how to calculate stock prices using expected future dividend streams. Recall that the DDM formula says the stock price equals the sum of all future expected dividends, each discounted back to the present using the required rate of return R. Today we'll apply this to multi-period valuation problems. A company will pay dividends of 2, then 2.50, then 3 over the next 3 years. After year 3, you sell the stock for 40. Your required return is 12%. What is the stock worth today? We discount each cash flow. 2 divided by 1.12 gives 1.79. Then 2.50 divided by 1.12 squared gives 1.99. And 3 plus 40, which is 43, divided by 1.12 cubed gives 30.60. The total present value is 34.38. So the stock is worth $34.38 today. Now a more complex example. A company just paid a dividend of 4. Dividends are expected to grow at 10% per year for 3 years. At the end of year 3, you sell at a P/E ratio of 15 with expected earnings per share of 8. Your required return is 14%. First, we calculate the future dividends. D1 is 4 times 1.10, which equals 4.40. D2 is 4.40 times 1.10, giving 4.84. D3 is 4.84 times 1.10, giving 5.32. The selling price at year 3 is the P/E multiple of 15 times earnings per share of 8, which equals 120. Now we discount everything back. 4.40 divided by 1.14 is 3.86. 4.84 divided by 1.14 squared is 3.72. And 125.32 divided by 1.14 cubed is 84.52. Adding them up, the stock is worth 92.10 today. Notice that in our example, the terminal value of 84.52 accounts for over 90% of the stock price. This is typical. The selling price or terminal value usually dominates the valuation, which means getting the terminal value right is crucial. To summarize, when applying DDM, calculate each expected dividend and the terminal selling price, then discount all cash flows to the present. The terminal value typically dominates the stock's total value. In practice, always be careful with your growth rate and discount rate assumptions, as small changes can significantly affect the final price. See you in the next video.